guys, my name is Miss Stevelak and I am going to teach you how to get into your Google Classroom account. Hopefully you've been able to log into Google, your school Google account. If you were in Fairfax County last year, you should know how to do that. You should know your your username is your student ID number and your password is the same one from last year. You will be prompted to change it eventually. From home, I don't think you'll be prompted to change it. You'll have to wait till you actually are in a school or have your laptop from school. But to access Google, you can go to fcps.edu, and then if you click on the G Suite button, that will take you to Google. Now, I've already been logged in, but you will have a login screen that says username and password, so you'd put your username. So remember, that's your student ID number at fcpsschools.net. Don't forget that double S there. It gets a little confusing sometimes. And then you can just, use your password from last year. If you have, let's type it in correctly. That would help too. Hopefully you remember it from last year. You will be prompted again to change it eventually. And I talked about that in the how to log in slide, so you can check that. Also, if you're new to Fairfax County, check out the how to log in, and that will tell you what your username and password is. So this would bring you to your drive, and this is where all your folders are that you have had from previous years. In another tab on the Google, on my Jumpstart Classroom, I will teach you how to organize your folders as well. But right now we want to just focus on Google Classroom. So if you go up here to this little 9-dot box, some people call it a waffle. I guess it kind of looks like a waffle. If you click on that and then click on Classroom, that will take you to any classrooms you've been enrolled in the past. Your teacher might archive their class from previous years, so it may not show up. You can unenroll if you want. You always have the option of, if you click these three little dots next to a class, instead of saying archive, yours would say unenroll. You don't have to unenroll. You can keep all your classes for all years if you want to. But if it's cluttering up your Google Classroom, you don't want to be part of it anymore and you don't see a need to, you can always unenroll. Or you can keep it there forever and ever. That is totally your call. But you will see, eventually, I'm going to let you enroll in this class, but you will eventually see a class that says Jumpstart 2020. And in case you don't know, you go up to this little plus up here and you can join a class. And I want you to join Jumpstart 2020 with this class code here. So it's 3PWTRHN. So you will go to the join and you will put that code in and it will get you to this Jumpstart class. And as of right now, I only have one questionnaire. By the time you actually start this, I might have more on here. I'm not sure. But I want you to click on this questionnaire. It's a Google form. And I want you to take this short little questionnaire. Some of these questions you may not know the answers to. I want you to try your best. Okay, and some of them you will know. So just start clicking around, see what Google Classroom's all about. I'll put some stuff under classwork just so you can see what it looks like under here. But that's your quick introduction to Google Classroom. Your teachers will give you way more information about it this coming year.